Hi everyone and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to focus on the alphabet. I will read over the alphabet to you in French and then I will give you a chance to do it yourself. Once you do it yourself, I will erase the board, put random letters on the board, and then put you to the test. So let's get started. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, wonderful job. Now I'm going to have you say the alphabet yourself. So if you would like to review one more time, go ahead and review. And if not, I'm ready. So I will point to the alphabet A to Z. And I will wait a couple seconds to give you a chance to say it. And then I will say it so that it gives you a chance to verify what you had said. So let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, you did a great job. Now, since we just did them in order, A, B, C, all the way to Z, I'm going to make it a little bit harder for you. But as you can see, there are a lot that are the same as English, such as M, N, and some that are really similar too. So keep that in mind. So like I had already explained, I will write a letter on the board, give you a chance to say it, and then I will let you know what it is in French. B, Z, D, and please keep in mind that you do have controls on your end, so if you find I'm going too fast or even too slow, you can adjust the speed accordingly. A, O, W, S, Y, D, P, L, F, R, J, E, J, E, H, N, V, T, U, M. Okay, and I will stop there. So great job. Again, if you'd like to review the alphabet, feel free. You also have the alphabet in your booklet, and you can even continue to practice the same way that we just did here. You can always return to the video too, and you can hear the way I say it just to double check, or even look back where it's written out in English too, if that helps you with the pronunciation. So that's up to you. Great job right here. In the next lecture, we will still be working on the alphabet. However, I'm going to go letter by letter to show you what sounds they make while we are reading French. Okay, so again, great job, and I will see you soon.